Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. Us every day, daily bias, Tuesday today. So actually, we are day before CPI, so I'm keeping in mind that probably today it's not going to be the highest probably today, and there is probability that actually there will be consolidation, but we will see. So probably I will finish around 10:30, 11, so later. So let's do the daily bias. Let's actually check the weekly. So right now I'm looking generally on weekly. I'm looking for a comeback to this weekly order block here. Same on ES. So like this is my like narrative right now for week that I will be looking for price to touch this order block to then maybe continue higher, lower, doesn't matter. But this order block right now is the first objective that I will be looking for price to touch it. Uh, yeah, going to daily. So on ES, price made this fat bearish candle. We disrespected this bearish FVG here. We created daily inverted FVG here. There is also SMT at lows. But right now I'm not really looking at this SMT because I'm still looking for price to touch this weekly order block. But I'm keeping in mind that this SMT is here, and actually for me it would make much more sense if price wants to continue higher. Like, okay, not like, never mind, but like right now I'm still looking for lower price, but there is this SMT, so I'm keeping that in mind. uh wait, there is also SMT at previous low. hmm. Actually, how to say, I don't see the scenario that price just reversing higher and closing above London high. Maybe if it's like the classic buy week, but I don't think that can happen before the CPI. For me, if price want to continue higher from this weekly order block, it would make much more sense to Monday go lower, Tuesday went lower, Tuesday go lower, and Wednesday to reverse. But like actually, I'm not going to utilize this on this idea right now. But just looking on daily, we disrespected this daily inverted FEG. There is this SMT. I'm keeping that in mind, but I'm not looking at it because it's not aligned with my objections for this weekly order block. For our right now on 4-hour price in this 4-hour FEG on NQ, we still have this sell liquidity here. There is SMT into this 4-hour FEG. Let me see one thing. Yeah, we are on this 4-hour FEG. There is this SMT, 4-hour CSD. Okay. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour. What we see right now. So we see that actually from midnight, London manipulated. Like we made this SMT here, so that's not really aligned with our bias, but like we'll take a look at it after. But because I'm looking for lower prices, and right now prices in daily in this 1-hour FEG, I will be looking for price to go for this high and then soup it and continue lower for this sell liquidity here. That's my objective for right now. Or maybe if price close above this week, then I just might be wrong about my idea. But I will be looking for price to just sub this high and go lower for this sell liquidity here and weekly order block. So, and like if price going to create an SMT here, it will be even better. But like, yeah, let's actually wait 15 minutes. Is there anything? So from London, price was just expanding higher, so that's also something to keep in mind, that people who bought are in profits right now. And yeah, London manipulated, like we can see it, but it's not meaningful for me, like the London price action here, like fuck, like yeah, like there is the CSD on the London, you know, but I don't feel it, you know. I don't fucking feel it. But like I'm keeping that in mind. But how I said, right now for me that doesn't look clean, you know, to continue higher. Like I will be looking for a soup on this high, you know. That's what I will be looking for. It's not like one of the cleanest buyers today. Let me actually see 5 minutes. Like for me, there is this accumulation. For me, this is a Judah swing higher. Hmm. But if my bias will be wrong, then let me actually see if there is anything that I can target more. Yeah, like this 15 FEG. Yeah, but I'm looking for a soup up on this high, you know. That's my idea, you know. If I'm going to be wrong, then that's okay. I like another lesson. We'll just fucking learn why I was wrong. And yeah, so that's it for today, and we are seeing after the session.
We after the session. So unfortunately, today another loss. Like it looks like my losing streak, you know, like 2 losses in a row. But that's fucking okay. I'm still in fucking profits, like 1,400, bro. That's fucking okay. It's like one win, and I'm back, you know, and I'm back on all-time highs. So that's actually great, you know, that despite it was a loss, you know, I didn't like I didn't risk more, you know, and that's fucking great. So actually it's good. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys, and let's actually analyze what happened. So quote unquote, my bias was correct. Like price made us soup here, but there was one thing that actually like this was a good lesson for me that my bias was correct, but in a bigger picture. But if we like in a moment, if we take a look on what happened in during New York session, you will see that actually today there was how to say today there was also today show me that sometimes you also need to have like short-term bias. If for example price starts to do things that he like didn't expect, you know, like it was like this happened today. We'll like in a minute we'll hope to it. Okay, so let's briefly like summarize what happened and like let's see what was before. So how I said I was looking for this weekly order log. Price disrespected daily inverted FEG. Despite this SMT, I wasn't really looking at it. For me, it was just a short-term SMT. Let me just see if I was doing for convert week. Yeah, okay. Let me actually just take a look on everything. For our there was this for our FEG, I was looking for this sales liquidity here. At this time, there was this short-term SMT. Also, one thing that I don't have on this screenshot, but there there should be a discount of the range because actually today price came back to the discount of the range, and that's going to be also really important for the information that I'm going to give you guys today. For our 1 hour, yeah, there was this high that I was looking for a soup. London manipulated and created an SMT, but it was lethargic price action for me, and price like it was somewhere around 4 to 5. Price was just expanding, so there was a lot of buys and liquidity here, and a lot of buyers were in short in buys, and because we still had this sales liquidity, and my whole narrative was this weekly order block. I was looking for a soup here, and I didn't want for price to like go above this high. You know, I was just looking for a soup, preferably with SMT, and that's all. 15 minute. Uh, yeah, 15 like 8:30 went lower, so that's also great information. Unfortunately, I don't have a screenshot, but there was a 15th FVG which was in discount and priced perfectly. Went there and reversed 5 minutes. Let me see if there was nothing special. Yeah, nothing special. Let's analyze what happened right now. So price ended going towards this weekly order block for our, like you see, despite there was this SMT before, like, you know, if it's not confirmed, if it doesn't align with the general idea, then, you know, like, I don't give a fuck about this SMT. For our price went in the whole discount of this range, manipulate there, boom, nice closure. 1 hour, there was this soup, discount of this whole range, time-based order block here, SMT, right? There were a lot of setups here, but unfortunately I took the wrong fucking setup. 15 minute. Yeah, there was this 1 hour FEG at 9. Actually, there was this one thing that I was talking at the beginning, that sometimes you will need to have like also a short-term bias, depends on what time and what price is going to show you. And in a moment we'll like discuss it more in depth, but like let me just end what I started. So 8:30 went in this 1 hour FEG, then 9:30. Then 9:30, like also on NQE, on ES, that's actually important. This FEG here was respected to the T, so we didn't disrespect it, and that can have a huge, how to say, like, response to what happened today. Fuck, really, real world. That's not what I want to open. Okay, so at 9:30, price went to 15th FEG. There was this SMT we manipulated into this 15th order block, like breaker or this order block here. We went higher, manipulated this time-based order block here, 9:30 time-based order block, price create an SMT, went lower, London lows, and yeah. So actually right now, because like sometimes we need to know that, for example, if 9:30 creates the low, then if 9 creates the low and it's aligned with idea to go higher, like doesn't matter if like big expansion or just a short-term trend, you know, then we can expect that the high will be put after or at 10, right? And I was looking for 9:30 to just manipulate about this 1 hour bias liquidity to make a soup and go lower. But right now, like price made something like in a bigger picture, my bias was correct, but in a lower picture, it wasn't like there were things that I could have like keep in mind, but I didn't, and they also caused me to like take a loss that didn't have like a lot of confirmations, like solid confirmations to take this trade, so it was like a necessary loss, you know. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. So actually, oh no, where I need to change it. Okay, because like my AirPods are broken, so I don't know if you have heard anything. Well, fuck it. Okay. So yeah, because here I respected this 1 hour FPG on ES, that was actually a sign that actually there was still power to go higher, like because price didn't disrespect it, you know. So there was no how to say, like right now, like this is just something to know, you know, because price respected this FPG to the tip. So that's like a small block, that small information block that is telling you something. And right now, if I look at this information and once I like, so what 9:30 was doing, I would be like, I would have been aware that actually we are not going to make a soup, and we could make deeper retracement to then continue lower. But because I wasn't really aware of this information, I was like looking for like soup here to then continue lower. That caused me to like also don't take some setups to the upside, but also like to then take a wrong setup, which was the loss. Okay, so right now, like 1 hour, we're started this 1 hour FPG, right? That's the first information. Right now, seeing that at 9:30, price created this SMT, we dropped into the discount. So we took all the sellers here, all the buyers here, which is really important. And seeing that there was this SMT, huge drop in the discount, and keeping in mind that on the 1 hour price respected to the take this 1 hour FPG, this could indicate that actually it wasn't the best idea to look for shorts here, because I took a short here. Let me just quickly show you. I took an inverted FPG entry here. I took the entry here, stop loss was around here, and now I started getting London low. Let me just show you this setup. Oh, I don't have pictures of it. Oh, I have. It was the setup here. And right now, first of all, I was selling in the, like, there was SMT, right? Because there was SMT price actually on NQ manipulating the discount. We do this 1 hour buy liquidity, we manipulate this time-based order block. But like it wasn't the best confluence to just sell on this inverted FVG, you know. I just saw this huge drop here, and I decided to just enter on this inverted FVG. There was no closure below the breaker, so there was no market shift, and also there was low probability today, so like it wasn't the best type of day to actually take this setup. And right now, because this is the real source, I was taking this setup at 9:52. One thing that knowing what 9:30 had done at this time, seeing that there was this SMT and that the low was perfectly put at 9:31, like seeing that on ES actually, look, it's like it can be hard to like explain it, clearly, but I will try. So because on NQ we are in this 1 hour FVG, on ES we also respected this 1 hour FVG to the peak. At 9:30 price manipulated into the discount of the range and created this SMT. Despite we took this 1 hour buy side liquidity, I could have anticipated if I had confluences that actually the low was put at the right time, at the right level, and it was aligned with everything what was going on, because ES respected 1 hour FVG, manipulated discount, there was SMT, here there was this 15th FVG, the low was created at 9:31. So despite we took my objectives to continue lower, the high which was here, despite there was SMT, it was the wrong time-based high, you know. I don't know if this advanced stuff, you know, but like actually that opened my mind today that seeing those confluences which happened before, I should at least wait to 10, because I didn't know if I didn't know if this is going to be like if I didn't know if this high was going to be the high of the session, and that's really important, because if I had knew this information that I have just told you guys, which I have realized, actually I would just wait, because I wasn't sure here if it was the high of the session or no. I just saw this huge manipulation and price went higher. So those are the things. Wrong time. I was selling in the discount, like it wasn't the best entry. I need to make a huge, like a big list why this was a wrong loss, you know. Wrong loss today. Right now I don't have a lot of time to go in depth with it, but let's actually quickly analyze what happened because that's the most important. There was a nice setup which I want to touch on. So yeah. So boom, boom, boom. Actually, there was a nice time-based entry, seeing that 9:59 price just expanded. You can just buy here and target this high. And just time entry. Because like seeing after a huge drop, the price made this huge comeback. It was and also those confirmations before. It was a nice confirmation that this is the wrong time actually to put the high of the session. 36. Actually, let me light up. 46. 946. Below is perfectly clear on 931. 31. So time-based entry, and then price manipulated again in this 15 FEG, but this was 10:16. So right now there was a right time to reverse. 10:16. Right time to reverse, right low. There was SMT. There was also this higher time from SMT, and there was also one thing. This setup was valid at 10:30. Let me see 1 hour. 1 hour. This is the candle from 9 to 10, right? So at 10, previous candle high, which this candle also engineered a lot of bicycle PT, because seeing that the trend was going lower, seeing this candle, people were just selling here. Like not really, but weeks are creating a lot of like engineering a lot of bicycle PT, so we do this previous candle high. So there was a nice soup. There was still this S&P on ES. Actually, let me see how it closed. Here on ES. Here on ES we closed, but nothing good, nothing special. I would say doji candle. By like 5 minutes. Let me see 5 minutes. Let me see. Okay, it was 10:30. 10:30. Okay, so we are in this FPG, but still, knowing that we had a Irish bias, it would be a nice entry. It would be much better entry, which I take because this one was like in the premium compared to the one I do. Boom breaker entry, SMT, targeting this sell side here, but I would target this London low if I had taken this setup, you know. So this was a nice setup today. Like I today it's not really in depth, you know, like always, because I have to go to sleep, but this was the best entry, like the entry of the day, you know. Unfortunately I took the loss here, but that's fucking okay, like that's the game, you know, until you are ready to say that you took that loss, till you are ready to put the time to like study why you took it, what was the reason, like why you shouldn't take it, what you shouldn't have taken it. That's perfectly fine. So we have like 70 minutes, quite small, I would say, and yeah, see you in Thursday. See you Thursday.